Welcome back, editors. I know how frustrating it can be when you're working hard on an edit and then, boom, you get hit with a copyright claim. All that effort and now your video is at risk. But don't worry, today I've got you covered. In this video, I'm gonna share my personal list of YouTube channels and tricks to help you find trending, high-quality music that's completely copyright-free. These are the same sources that big creators use to make their edits stand out without ever getting a strike. So stick with me until the end, because once you learn these, you'll never have to stress about music for your edits again. All right, let's get started. Let's start with Quitezi. Go to YouTube and type Quitezi in the search bar. This channel is full of trending songs that are completely copyright-free. You can use them however you like, whether for background music, montages, anime edits, sports highlights, or cinematic videos. Even though these songs are free to use, I recommend giving credit in your video description. It's not required, but it's a nice way to show respect to the artist and it makes you look more professional. Next, search for Loner Edits. This channel is another goldmine for copyright-free music, but it has a different style compared to Quitezi. The variety here is great. You'll find emotional tracks, upbeat music, and unique beats that can make your edits stand out. If you're into anime edits, search for Young Frizz Edits. Most of the tracks you'll find here are exactly the kind you hear in popular anime AMVs. They're intense, emotional, and perfect for scenes that need a dramatic impact. If you want that powerful anime vibe, this is the channel to check out. Another amazing channel is Saturn Music. Just type Saturn Music into YouTube's search bar and explore their library. They have a huge selection of popular and trending tracks, from cinematic orchestral pieces to fast, energetic electronic beats. All of it is safe to use, so you can focus on editing without stress. Here's a bonus trick for finding specific types of music. Take the name of any song you like, and after it, type the words "Edit Music" in the YouTube search bar. For example, if you want a funk version of a popular track, type the song name followed by "Edit Music." This will often bring up remixed or altered versions that are perfect for editing and less likely to cause copyright issues. Many big creators use this method because edit music versions tend to have a much lower risk of claims compared to using the official original track. In fact, one of the channels I mentioned earlier is extremely popular, and I've noticed many editors using their music without ever getting a strike. If you follow this same approach, your channel will also be much safer. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Always listen to the full track before using it to make sure it matches your video's mood. Save the best songs in a playlist so you can easily find them for future projects. And even if credit isn't required, it's always nice to mention the artist. It builds goodwill and keeps the creative community strong. That's it for today's tutorial. If you want me to make another guide, leave a comment and I'll do my best to make it happen. Also, if you haven't seen my tutorial on downloading high-quality anime clips, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy editing.